Shadow Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Basil Williams says the recent ruling by the Chief Justice Ian Chang on the gag order on the Minister of Home Affairs Clement Rohee vindicates the opposition parliamentary action and position. Recognizing that the CJ's ruling made it clear that Minister Rohee as a member of parliament can participate in discussions, but that he has no right to do so in the official capacity as Minister of Home Affairs. Speaking at a press briefing to address the issue, Williams says Justice Chang has basically thrown the ball back in the court of the National Assembly, and specifically the Speaker as it relates to its own regulations.
The Lord Chief Justice has struck that out. He has struck that out. He says the committee has jurisdiction to look at any matter that is referred to it. But it's not a constitutional committee or a parliamentary committee. It's a committee established by the National Assembly on its standing orders. And those are internal matters. In addition to that, he said he can't order the Speaker in terms of the future conduct of Parliament. He can't tell the Speaker what to do. And in addition to the constitutional right that he's talking about, the Speaker's member of Parliament, even that right is not an absolute right, he said, because the Speaker could regulate that right through the standing orders.
Williams says Friday's decision is a good indication of the outcome of the substantive case that was brought by Attorney General Anin Landlal, which challenges the Speaker of the National Assembly, Raphael Trotman's ruling prohibiting Rohee from speaking in the Parliament and referring the matter to the Committee of Privileges. Landlal wanted the court to declare the Speaker's action as unlawful, unconstitutional, and without jurisdiction.
You don't have to follow through with any action. I think the Lord Chief Justice's decision is very clear. In fact, he says to you, don't forget, we have filed a summons to strike out what Mr. Nandalai had filed. And the Lord Chief Justice has granted, he has upheld the contentions in our summons to strike out. And he has struck out everything there except this matter in 1B and 3B, which is the same issue. But in saying that this could go for further arguments in the substantive motion, he is also purported to make a legal ruling on it. So it's up to us, or either party, if they want to continue into the substantive motion to come up with the same decision from him.
The opposition had argued that Minister Rohee was unfit for the post of Home Affairs Minister because of his poor management of the security sector, including the killing of 3 Londoners on July 19 last year during protests in the bauxite mining town. For Capital News, Leroy Adolphus reporting.